This is the Dholera city in Gujarat. It is expected to be completed by 2040. It is a futuristic and sustainable city, and it is still under construction. And this is the main trade center of the city.
This trade center will be located at the heart of this Dholera city. It is also known as an economic hub, as it will provide many job opportunities to the citizens, and it will be a home to many non-polluting industries such as the textile industry, electronic industries.
There will be roads in Dholera that would be made from recycled plastic, and that would be more stronger and durable than the usual roads that we see in today's cities. And there would be speed breakers on these roads that will convert potential energy into kinetic energy, generating electricity that would save our fossil fuels. So you can explore more. These are the residential areas.
अच्छा, ये इसी के पार्ट हैं?
Yes sir.
अच्छा, अच्छा।
So this is the whole Dholera city.
अच्छा, पूरे इस रूम में वही है हैं?
Yes sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, क्या क्या खासियत है इन सब की?
So these all are sustainable, and if we see that in today's scenario, we see there are a lot of like pollution and all this stuff. So in Dholera city, there will not be any like pollution, and there would be a lot of greenery and sustainability. You can explain the apartments.
Sir, this is our project Diamond Height, which is based on the concept of vertical farming, and this is a kind of urban architecture which approaches with the challenges caused by difficulties, and these can be grown on the balconies of the buildings. The buildings of the future could be designed as the vertical farming. In this farming, we can grow vegetables like tomatoes, fruits like strawberries, and leafy greens like.
हॉरिजॉन्टल उसमें होगा ना, ये तो वर्टिकल जैसे लगा रखे हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल में सब्जियां होंगी।
पर सर ये ऐसे
तो ऐसे में कोई सब्जी लगेगी वो तो गिर के नीचे चली जाएगी, लगेगी।
सर हम बहुत हैवी क्रॉप्स नहीं फार्म कर सकते इसमें, लाइक हम लोग बेरीज कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा,
और
अच्छा,
लाइक
अच्छा।
लेटर्स एंड स्पेनिश काइंड ऑफ। सर यू कैन एक्सप्लोर।
अच्छा, ये पूरा वहाँ तक गया हुआ है और किसी को और? अच्छा, ये सब अलग अलग लोगों ने डिज़ाइन किया है, बताओ इसके बारे में।
Sir, so this is our project, which is a residential area of Dholera city, which is a futuristic city and a visionary project that not only explains sustainability but also explains that in future there will be no land left for farming practices. So we have to grow and consume our own food on the balconies on the terrace. There are solar panel, less energy consuming lights and other appliances, which shows that in future natural resources will be our priority, because there will be higher chances through which population can be affected by the natural calamities. This building has all the amenities which our resident could need by anyone. It has children play and gyms and all the basic needs which are human will be needed for survival.
A modern Gurukul school. Like this school, the schools in Dholera, Gujarat, India will offer experiential learning opportunities to students through modern technologies and science centers and makers space. Students will also be able to conduct scientific experiments and collaborate with learning opportunities. In this school, the focus of the teachers will mainly on the talent of the students, and they will only teach about the core subjects. The main practice that will be done in this school will be farming.
So in this type of schools, solar energy is used to generate electricity, and this type of school will also teach us about sustainable farming, as you can see on the building. Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is the DISR is a region that is being developed in the green city of Dholera, and if we talk about its area, it's 920 km per square, and if we talk about its location in northwest to the central city of the Gujarat, that's Ahmedabad. Till 2040, the soil will lose its fertility, so we have to grow the we have to do the farming and have to grow the grass on the rooftop of our buildings. So as you can see, we have shown the grass on the rooftop of the building, and if we talk about the energy source, that will be the solar panels. And thank you, sir.
And it will also have economic development of the Dholera people and Dholera city. It will give employment to Dholera peoples,
Thank you.
The DISR will be playing a major role in the economy of the Dholera city. It will be boosting the economy of the all over the city, and so in the region of DISR, industrial region will be playing a major role as it will be providing employment to many of the people, and there will be many high-tech offices in the building also, like Google and YouTube. And if we talk about the good that will be produced in the industry, that would be the electrical machinery, ceramics, and different types of machineries. And as our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that all the weapons and all the weapons that will be required for the military will be built in Dholera city only. So all the nuclear missiles and all the other essentials required for the military, it will be building in the building only. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, today we are here to introduce you to a groundbreaking concept in retail and community living, the Gen Z Mall. This isn't just a shopping destination, it is a visionary space designed for future. Architecturally, the Gen Z Mall is designed to be futuristic and invited. It is a place where shopping becomes an experience, not just a task. Another amazing features is it terrace farm. Here fresh fruits and vegetables are grown on every top of the mall. This not only provides healthy food options but also teaches us about sustainable farming. It uses various methods like water saving techniques. It recollect and reuse rainwater for the conservation of water, which is essential for our environment. Thank you.
कोई घास उगा रहा है ऐसे जैसे?
Sir, this is for cooling purposes.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
Yes, to
ठीक।
reduce urban heat.
इसी का पार्ट है ढोलेरा सिटी में? अच्छा।
Good morning, sir. This is our skyline tower at Dholera. This is a concept tower, and at the top of the tower we grow fresh fruit, plants, and vegetables, and many more things. And it also absorbs urban area heat because the plant convert CO2 into O2, and we also build a solar panel on it that converts solar light into electrical energy for daily purpose. Thank you, sir.
ठीक।
Sir, this is the new international Dholera airport. This airport is basically made up of sustainable things. Like
एयरपोर्ट है ये?
Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा।
So these are the solar panels which gain the heat energy and then convert it into electricity.
अच्छा अच्छा।
Sir, the compilation data for the airport is to be projected in 2026 and it will also span over 4,000 hectares of land. Thank you, sir.